We are Xiaomi Global Distributor. We supply with Xiaomi Global Version smartphone and Xiaomi China Version Global smartphone. We can deliver Xiaomi Global Version smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. Okay, let's continue to unboxing and review Xiaomi Mi10 Pro 5G smartphone. The phone have gray color, blue color, and white color. Here's the phone. It supports all Google applications, including Google Play Store. And its operating system is Android 10 operating system. And it supports global language menus. Here are all the language menus it supports. Global language menu. It is a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED LED display. The screen supports 90 Hz refresh rate, and the display supports HDR10 Plus. 5th generation Corning Gorilla Glass, Android 10 operating system, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 octa-core 2.84 GHz. The phone's memory have 256 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM, or 12 GB RAM, 512 GB ROM, 12 GB RAM, UFS 3.0. Its front camera is 20 megapixel f2.0 aperture, and its main camera a quad camera 108 megapixel f1.7 aperture, 12 megapixel f2.0 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture, and 20 megapixel f2.2 aperture with triple LED flashlight. Now, let me show you 108 megapixel camera. We can see the phone's camera details. And the phone's battery built-in is 4,500 mAh battery built-in. It supports fast battery charging, 55 watt, 50 watt, and it supports power delivery 3.0. And also it supports fast wireless charging, 30 watt. And the battery supports reverse wireless charging 5 watt. The phone supports fingerprint under the display, NFC and FM radio. Infrared port is support. It is the flagship smartphone of Xiaomi in 2020. The phone supports only dual nano SIM card. It doesn't support micro SD card. Let me take the SIM card slot out. Take it out. We can have a look. It supports dual nano SIM card only. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. One piece case, hard plated case, very good quality hard plated case, and it will have adapter, headphone jack to Type-C adapter, one piece Type-C USB cable, and one piece 65 watt fast charger. We will send the Europe adapter, UK adapter for your market need. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. If you want to make B2B the business of all Xiaomi products, you can contact with us. That's all.